Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to enable dark mode on CoinGecko application using your mobile device. If you want to enable dark mode on CoinGecko app, first of all, open up the CoinGecko application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the market page, click on profile at the bottom right corner. Once you open up your profile section, look for the dark mode option under preferences and toggle the button right next to it. Doing this will turn your interface to a dark color. Once selected, the app interface will change to dark mode instantly. You can now exit the setting and enjoy browsing CoinGecko in dark mode. And that's it. That's how you've successfully enabled dark mode on CoinGecko app using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.